Imagine stepping into your garden at night and being greeted by flowers that bloom under the moonlight, filling the air with their enchanting fragrance. In this video, we'll introduce you to 10 stunning night-blooming flowers that will transform your garden into a magical nighttime paradise. The moonflower is a true gem for any night garden. This beautiful vine produces large, white, trumpet-shaped flowers that unfurl in the evening, releasing a sweet, intoxicating fragrance. As the sun sets, the petals open, attracting nocturnal pollinators like moths. Its rapid growth and twining habit make it perfect for trellises, fences, or arbors, adding a touch of mystery and elegance to your outdoor space. Native to tropical and subtropical regions, the moonflower thrives in USDA zones 10 to 12. It prefers full sun and well-drained soil, but can tolerate partial shade. If you live in a colder climate, you can grow it as an annual or in containers that can be brought indoors during winter. Watching this flower bloom at dusk is a truly mesmerizing experience that makes it a must-have for any night garden. Evening primrose is a charming wildflower that brings a burst of golden yellow color to your garden at sunset. Its delicate blooms open in the evening and close by morning, creating a spectacular nightly display. This resilient plant is not only beautiful, but also attracts essential pollinators such as bees and nocturnal moths. Plus, it's known for its medicinal properties, making it both a practical and decorative choice. This hardy perennial thrives in USDA zones 4 to 9 and prefers well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight. It is drought-tolerant and can easily naturalize in gardens, creating a low-maintenance yet stunning landscape. If you want a flower that adds both beauty and ecological benefits to your garden, evening primrose is an excellent option. Known for its intoxicating fragrance, Night-Blooming Jasmine is a must-have for any nighttime garden. As the sun sets, its small, creamy white flowers release a powerful, sweet scent that can be detected from a distance. This makes it a fantastic choice for patios, balconies, or anywhere you want to enjoy a soothing nighttime aroma. Thriving in USDA zones 8 to 11, this fast-growing shrub prefers warm climates and well-drained soil. It can be grown in containers for those in cooler zones, allowing you to bring its enchanting fragrance indoors when temperatures drop. Night-Blooming Jasmine is a true sensory delight that enhances any garden space after dark. True to its name, 4 o'clock flowers begin to open in the late afternoon and stay in bloom throughout the evening. These trumpet-shaped blossoms come in vibrant shades of pink, yellow, red, and white, sometimes even appearing in a mix of colors on a single plant. Their mild, sweet fragrance attracts hummingbirds and moths, adding life to your garden at twilight. This adaptable plant grows well in USDA zones 7 to 10 and thrives in full sun to partial shade. It self-seeds easily, ensuring new plants return year after year. Whether grown in beds, borders, or containers, 4 o'clock flowers are a delightful and easy-to-care-for addition to any night garden. If you love the scent of chocolate, this flower is for you. Chocolate daisy produces small, bright yellow flowers that release a delicious cocoa fragrance at night. The plant not only adds beauty to your garden, but also brings a unique sensory experience with its rich, sweet aroma. Hardy in USDA zones 4 to 9, chocolate daisy thrives in dry, well-drained soil and is highly drought-resistant. It's a great choice for rock gardens or xeriscapes, requiring minimal maintenance while providing maximum impact. Imagine enjoying a warm summer night with the delightful scent of chocolate in the air. This flower makes it possible. Tuberose is famous for its elegant, waxy white flowers and strong, luxurious fragrance. Often used in perfumes, this night-blooming beauty releases its sweet scent after dusk, filling the air with a rich floral aroma. It's a popular choice for moon gardens and is often planted along walkways or near patios to enhance evening relaxation. Best suited for USDA zones 8 to 10, Tuberose prefers warm temperatures and well-drained fertile soil. It grows from bulbs and can be planted in containers for those in cooler climates. If you're looking for a flower that combines beauty and an unforgettable scent, Tuberose is a top contender. Night Phlox, also known as midnight candy, is a small but highly fragrant flower that opens in the evening. Its tiny white and purple blooms release a sweet scent reminiscent of vanilla and honey, making it a fantastic choice for sensory gardens. This charming flower thrives in USDA zones 9 to 11 and prefers well-drained soil with plenty of sun. It can be grown in pots or garden beds, where it will provide a delicate, pleasant fragrance to enjoy on warm summer nights. With its large, pendulous, trumpet-shaped flowers, Angel's Trumpet is one of the most dramatic night bloomers. This tropical shrub releases a powerful, sweet scent after sunset, creating an almost mystical atmosphere in your garden. Its flowers can grow up to a foot long, making them a true showstopper. Angel's Trumpet thrives in USDA zones 8 to 11 and prefers warm, humid climates with rich, well-drained soil. Due to its size and exotic appearance, it works well as a focal point in moon gardens or near patios where its fragrance can be fully appreciated. Datura, sometimes called Devil's Trumpet, is a striking plant known for its large, white, fragrant flowers that open at dusk. These blossoms have an otherworldly beauty, with their swirling petals and luminous glow under the moonlight. Hardy in USDA zones 9 to 11, Datura grows well in warm climates and prefers dry, well-drained soil. While breathtaking, this plant is toxic if ingested, so it should be handled with care. If you're looking for a flower that adds drama and elegance to your night garden, Datura is an excellent choice. The Queen of the Night is one of the most mysterious and captivating flowers. This rare cactus blooms only for a single night, producing large, white, fragrant flowers that last until dawn. Because of its unpredictable blooming cycle, seeing this flower open is a special event that many gardeners eagerly anticipate. Native to tropical regions, it thrives in USDA zones 10 to 12. It can be grown in pots and brought indoors in cooler climates. If you want a truly magical flower that surprises you with its beauty, the Queen of the Night is a must-have. And there you have it, 10 stunning night-blooming flowers that will turn your garden into a magical wonderland. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!